adage, time is money, has never been more prevalent than it is now. People come to us and they say, we have this process and it's going to take mechanical, electrical systems to make this process work. People want it and they want it immediately. And one of the best ways to do that is through prefab. We like to sit down with the customer and help to develop a P&ID diagram, which is piping and instrumentation diagram, which basically lays out the flow of the process. We can take the 2D conception and the 3D basic sketch and convert that into a 3D dimensional drawing. Then we get a BIM group involved.
Typically when we get a design from an engineer, we obviously need to know the constraints, and what's most important is where it's going. We'll try to place the bigger pieces of equipment and get those set first and then start to build around that. There are certain things you have to miss. Floor drains, columns, existing doorways, pathways, means of egress. So you know your no-go zones immediately when you start drawing.
Space is always a premium. It doesn't matter what plant. It can be a commercial office building, it can be an industrial facility. Everybody wants to maximize the use of their space. We start to pull all those dimensions together and it becomes really a chess game of how we're going to position this stuff for the most efficient way to save our customers as much money as possible. And our engineers come up with a design. We do all the design calculations and then we arrange the major components onto the skid in the most efficient way. We send that 3D drawing to our fab shop to start fabricating the skid. They have a very, very detailed drawing showing all the dimensions they need to fabricate that skid.
We'll have a plan view and then we'll have an ISO. Plan view will just give you an overhead view of everything that we're saying needs to be in the space. The ISO is there to make it easier to follow things that you can't see in the plan view with like pipes over top of pipes.
Where do you want to put it? I just got to bring on that.
When we turn these highly skilled tradespeople loose, I tell you, these guys are like magicians. It's unbelievable. The beauty of some of their workmanship, it's just amazing. These guys are highly skilled craftspeople with skills that you just can't find anywhere. And we're very blessed to have those here at Southern Air.
The challenge of making something that's not seemingly supposed to fit well in space and making it look like a piece of art, so to speak.
If you've ever seen some of these skids that we've built in our fab shots, if you've ever been out to some of our job sites and seen some of the installations that we've put in, you would be absolutely amazed and you would say, these people are construction artists, and that's exactly what they are.